Welcome to a transformative journey that will unlock the hidden treasures of your mind and heart. In this video, we embark on a quest to boost your emotional intelligence, those secret skills that lead to success in every aspect of life. So tighten your boots, ignite your sense of wonder, and dive into the captivating world of emotional intelligence. Imagine yourself standing on a pristine, sun-kissed beach. The rhythmic lapping of waves against the shore and the refreshing touch of a salty breeze awaken your senses. Little do you know, the ocean holds a profound metaphor for our first fact of the video. Emotions are akin to ocean waves, rising and falling with varying intensities. And just like a skilled surfer gracefully rides the waves, emotional intelligence equips you with the ability to navigate and harness the power of your emotions. Tip 1. Become the master of the emotional surfboard. Observe your emotions without judgment, like a seasoned surfer assessing the waves. Ride the peaks and troughs of your feelings, maintaining balance and control as you gracefully navigate life's unpredictable tides. Let's leave the sandy shores behind and ascend to the breathtaking heights of a majestic mountaintop. As you stand there embracing the awe-inspiring view that stretches endlessly before you, a profound realization awaits. Emotional intelligence empowers you with the ability to rise above the immediate challenges and see the bigger picture, much like gazing at the vast expanse of a mountaintop vista. It enables you to gain clarity, make sound decisions, and chart your course towards success. Tip 2. Embrace the mountaineer's perspective. When faced with challenging situations, take a step back and view them from a higher vantage point. Just as the mountaintop reveals hidden valleys and winding paths, emotional intelligence helps you perceive opportunities, understand complexities, and navigate toward your desired destination. Now, let's find ourselves in the heart of a bustling city, where the symphony of honking horns, diverse cultures, and bustling crowds create an electrifying atmosphere. Amidst this vibrant tapestry of humanity, an essential truth about emotional intelligence emerges. Emotional intelligence enhances your ability to connect with others, fostering empathy, understanding, and appreciation for the rich tapestry of human diversity. It's like wearing special glasses that allow you to see the world through different perspectives. Tip 3. Don your empathy glasses. Step into the shoes of others and strive to understand their experiences, beliefs, and emotions. Just as navigating a bustling city street requires awareness of your surroundings, emotional intelligence enables you to maneuver through relationships with kindness, compassion, and a genuine desire to foster meaningful connections. Imagine a scene of enchantment, where soft candlelight flickers, and the air is imbued with a sense of anticipation. You find yourself in the midst of a romantic candlelit dinner, where love and connection intertwine. In this moment of warmth and intimacy, we uncover a captivating fact about emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence plays a pivotal role in nurturing and deepening meaningful relationships, much like the flickering flame of a candle that illuminates and sustains the bond between two souls. Tip 4. Become a masterful love chef. Sprinkle your interactions with kindness, active listening, and open communication. Just as a sumptuous meal is savored in the ambiance of a candlelit dinner, emotional intelligence adds flavor, depth, and harmony to your relationships. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the hallowed halls of a serene library, where knowledge is preserved and whispers of wisdom echo through the shelves. Here, we stumble upon a profound truth about emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence equips you with the tools to manage stress, cultivate resilience, and thrive in the face of adversity, much like a library safeguards knowledge for future generations. Tip 5. Embrace the role of a librarian for your emotions. Set aside quiet moments for self-care and reflection. Build resilience by seeking support, practicing mindfulness, and engaging in activities that replenish your spirit. Just as a library holds the key to knowledge, emotional intelligence empowers you to unlock your inner strength and navigate life's challenges gracefully. Look up at the vast expanse of a starry night sky, where constellations twinkle and inspire wonder. Amidst this celestial canvas, we discover an illuminating fact about emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence fosters self-awareness, guiding you to understand your strengths, weaknesses, passions, and purpose. much like the stars that guide sailors across uncharted oceans. Tip 6. Become an astronomer of the self. Explore your inner constellations through introspection, self-reflection, and personal growth. Discover your true passions, values, and aspirations. Just as the stars illuminate the night sky, emotional intelligence guides you toward a fulfilling life aligned with your authentic self. Amidst our journey, we stumble upon a lively playground where children laugh, play, and explore with boundless curiosity. In their innocence, we unearth a fundamental truth about emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence invites you to embrace the spirit of your inner child, unlocking a wellspring of curiosity, joy, and endless possibilities. Tip 7. Embrace your inner child's sense of wonder. Cultivate curiosity, embrace playfulness, and let joy be your compass in life's adventures. Just as children on a playground fearlessly explore the world, emotional intelligence empowers you to navigate life's ups and downs with a sense of adventure and delight. Congratulations, courageous explorers! You have unlocked the secrets of emotional intelligence, those precious skills that lead to success and fulfillment. Remember, emotions are like waves. Emotional intelligence is your surfboard. So, ride the waves, climb the mountains, connect with others, savor love, seek wisdom, find your guiding stars, and embrace the joy of discovery. May your emotional intelligence journey be one of endless growth and transformation. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable expedition to boost your emotional intelligence. Until we meet again, may you continue to embark on extraordinary adventures, enriching your life and the lives of those around you. Stay curious, stay brave, and please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Start today and see the changes unfold in your life. Click here for more helpful videos. Your support helps us keep making videos to help you glide through life. Thank you for watching.